What up, YouTube? Bo Farm back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And today we harvesting potatoes. Big harvest, hopefully no whammies. Alright, this is one of my 50-gallon grow bags. And as you can see, yeah, these are done for. My purple potatoes, they still growing. This bag's still growing. I'm gonna leave that alone. And this one don't have long before it's out of here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one too. But I planted all these on February the 1st, which is exactly 101 days. Ideally, they say 120 to 130. We'll see. All right, y'all, I said I was planting enough. This is another little potato patch. It's in the ground. I don't know, something just flew over my head. I don't know. Anyway, another little potato patch got in the ground. These still growing. Fingers crossed, y'all. All right, this is a piece of paper. I compost everything, no matter what. All right, let's try to get some potatoes, y'all. Yeah, this just pulling out. We got a potato on the first pull. First potato of the year. Is it spectacular? No, but it's a potato. And it's been a lot of rain, so it's kind of wet in here. Let's see what we got. We got another little bit. Okay. All right. Come on, potato. Where you at, potato? Potato man. And look at that. I guess I could have left this one in here a little longer. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw it over there. I don't know. All right, so let's get it in. All right. One white, one purple. Okay. Another purple, another purple. These purples are really small, but we can eat them too. And that's the original potato. Going to the upper room. All right, and that's the other one. That's these little smaller ones. That's got a hole in it. I don't know. All right. The white ones are big. The red ones are, purple ones are small. Yada yada yada. Let's get some good potatoes. Oh, big worm. Big worm. Ah. And look what we find in there. We find a grub. So I'm pretty sure this grub been in the roots. Yeah, little grub. All right. We're gonna dispatch of that. But yeah, it's a bunch of worms in here. That's a good sign. Some big worms. Big worm, no Friday. You remember big worm on Friday? No? Okay. I want to say I should have left them in there, but they have no connection to the stem. So they will probably finish growing anyway. They're just small potatoes, y'all. Small potatoes, small potatoes. Couple more small ones. Everything going in. And then if y'all don't know what breakfast potatoes are, small potatoes you eat with breakfast, or you put these in with green beans. Would I like some big ones? Yes. Am I gonna eat all these? Yes. They're just falling out now. Get all the way to the bottom. And I usually don't get all the potatoes. And then the next year, I have a whole bunch of them come up. That's what it is. So it's no connection to the stem for these potatoes, y'all. I'm not pulling up roots and then potatoes coming up with it. So, but I do got to finish this bed off. I mean, this grow bag, because I will be growing sweet potatoes in here. Bunch of little, I found more grubs, y'all. I know why the potatoes ain't that big now. Grub world, grub world. That's 2 less grubs I gotta worry about though, because I think we know what I just did with my foot. I did the twist. So that looked like that one sucked. It ain't sucked because we got something. It ain't like we didn't get nothing. And then of course, you know, there's a couple of them I ain't gonna get out of here. And if y'all watch this channel, y'all know I don't do well with white potatoes. Just what it is. I don't play by the rules. All right, another grub, y'all. I see why these plants died out so early. There's a bunch of grubs in there eating the roots. It happens, y'all. It's gardening. Oh, them few I just got right there. It's gardening, baby. This ain't Kroger. You don't go to the grocery store and just get stuff. You gotta pay the price. And the price of gardening in your backyard is dealing with pests. It's all a part of the process, y'all. You can't enjoy the good parts if you don't embrace the bad parts. You know what I mean? More grubs. More grubs. Yeah, these grubs on ate my little bed to death. That'll be the last potato you eat though, I can tell you that. Oh boy. 2 potatoes I get from here is still better than 10 I get from Kroger. I know what went in it. I know what it got fertilized with. I got grubs in here because I didn't put 1,000 chemicals in here to kill everything. All right. This potatoes all the way at the bottom, they're just small. More grubs. Grubs, y'all did me this time. You did me bad this time. I think it was the grubs. Now I'm blaming it on the grub, not me watering or fertilizer. I'm blaming it on the grub. I'm gonna be like everybody else. Every time they get a bad harvest, it's because of the bug. And to be honest, the vine borer should start suing some of y'all because y'all blame everything on the vine borer. I can't eat my peaches because of the vine borer. Vine borer, by the way, don't even like peaches. More grubs. All right, I think that's all of them, y'all. If there's some more in there, they so small, it don't matter. Let them grow back up. All right. All right, that's the harvest out that one bag. Yeah, it is what it is. That ain't that bad. All right, so let's get on with these. I wasn't gonna take them out, so I saw I got some decent sized white ones, so maybe they are ready, y'all. Cross your fingers, man. All right, first pull. No potatoes. And I got that Pro Mix in here, y'all. That $5 Pro Mix. Let's see what the Pro Mix can do. Just roots. Just roots. I ain't pulled a potato yet, y'all. Just roots. Just compostable compost. That's all I'm pulling. Yeah. It ain't looking that good for the Pro Mix. And maybe we got a bunch of grubs in here too. Let's see. Let's see. All right, okay. Got two little bitty ones. Got two little bitty ones. Oh, I feel a lot of potatoes in here. Okay. Okay. Okay, Pro Mix. Let's go, Pro Mix. Let's go, Pro Mix. Oh, them nice. That's what I expect when I dig into him. But the red potato just never do that good for me. I'm always disappointed in them. Always. Oh, I feel a lot of potatoes at the bottom. Oh, these some good eating little babies, huh? Oh yeah, we're gonna boil these up. Don't worry about that. I'm boil them boys up. Oh, I feel a lot of them at the bottom. Oh, that's the seed potato. Yeah. Put that in the compost too. All right. Okay. This bag is potatoing. Another one of these potato goo. Oh, some of these went deep. When I was talking about none of them was on the potato, these deep. So it's probably a bunch of potatoes at the bottom. Oh, this joker full of potatoes. Oh yeah. Small potato, small potato. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. All right, shouts out to Pro Mix. Shouts out to the Pro Mix. Woo, 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 woo. Let's go, Pro Mix. I'm gonna stop growing these little bit of goddamn red tomato. I mean potatoes. No matter how good the white look, the red still suck. And that's the other potato that don't fell apart. Yep, and as soon as my slip come in, I'm gonna be replanting sweet potatoes in these bags. Yeah, the roots went deep. It's not a bad little heart. Oh, I feel more potatoes at the bottom, y'all. That's a nice size. These are nice ones. These are nice ones. Eat your heart out. Ooh, 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 ooh. And like I said, I planted these February the 1st. And it was cold and some of them died back. And then they regrew. Because, you know, the cooler temps. But either way, this did good. Now I'm thinking for sure that bag over there was overrun by grubs. And they ate the harvest. That's why you always plant enough. You never know which container is not gonna live up to your expectations. All these are whole. I planted a lot of them in there. Let's see if uh-oh. I think that's the biggest purple I don't saw. Like a scavenger hunt getting these potatoes out of here, y'all. Ooh, 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 ooh. And it's more. It's more. It's more, y'all. These was all the way at the bottom. And I know somebody gonna say, well, if you would have left them in there longer, well, if was a fifth, we all be drunk. I don't deal in if. I deal in facts. Small potato, small potato. I mean, this potato's all the way to the bottom, y'all. And I wanted to dump the soil out, but I kind of like scavenger hunting for potatoes. I don't know why. It's so relaxing. Let's get all the way to the bottom. All right, I'm at the bottom. More little potatoes. Them little potatoes gonna make a meal though. All right. One more will go down. See if I feel anything. The Pro Mix might be all right, y'all. All right, I think that's it, y'all. Let's look at the harvest. All right, little food for thought. I'm an overthinker. The Pro Mix had no grubs in it. Was the grub already in that cheap soil I got in that bag over there? Or did the grubs end up in there? That's how I'm thinking now. All conspiracy theories in the garden are accepted. All right, that's what we ended up with. That turned out not to be a bad harvest, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. That's a lot of got done potatoes. That's a lot of got done potatoes. I had 2 bags, and I still got more to go. I got some purple, got some red. They look, don't worry about it. We gonna chop them up, have them with some scrambled eggs. Yeah, I'm gonna be like Forrest Gump with it. White potato French fries, hash browns, baked potatoes, potato soup, with beans, potatoes. I got beans, greens. All right, we in the shed. This how I'm curing them. Try not to get them too close together. Give them a week or 2. Let that skin harden up. And don't take the dirt off. Don't take the dirt because you're going to damage that thin skin. Curing process harden that skin off. And what am I curing them in? This is a tree bag. Yeah, in the winter time, I zip it up and I protect my trees. In the summertime, I leave them in here for about 2 weeks to harden off or cure. And then I take them in the house for winter storage, y'all. That's how I'm doing it. This is how we do it.